Here at Destination Auto Group, we care about your time, which is why we've paired up with time-saving experts, two guys with knives.
Well, it's something that you can absolutely never get back.
I think time is everything.
So we're always trying to create more of it, become more efficient.
So if you can save time in some aspect of your life, you can get more time to relax, to enjoy, do extra stuff with your friends, with your family.
So we start prepping earlier in the week.
We start prep on Tuesday and you have to finalize everything by Saturday. So what you do at the beginning of the week, we like do the peeling, you do the potatoes, do the carrots, do stuff that is a long shelf life.
Then you get up to the vegetable component, the protein component. So it's actually like a 3 or 4 day process in order to get the meal to its finished product. And the one thing that we hear constantly from them is you want to be able to have like the full performance of your flavor profile without having to spend an entire day prepping it.
People have to respect our time, be always with the punctuality, and it's very important because if you show respect and go from there.
So I think just having a clear outline of expectation is very respectful of time.